Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I have a very exciting video for you. This is going to be the digital microscope sent to us by Linkmicro. We actually reached out to them because I want to get into repairing watches, restoring watches, and I'm going to need something to film them to see everything very closely. And as you can see right here, this is going to be a very professional microscope, so digital microscope that you can use in order to work on watches, on jewelry, even on small electronics where you need that extra zoom. Here is going to be the model, so this is going to be 208SA, and as you can see 4K 30 frames per second digital microscope. So here we have the user's manual, and something really cool is that you also have here all the info about everything that you can find within your package. The first thing that we can see is going to be the monitor. So this is where you are actually going to see all the images and the video that you are going to film. You can even record. That is going to be something really cool. Then we also have the flexible arm stand. I'm going to also install this onto my desk, and I'm going to show you how it looks in the end, and also we are going to put on a watch in order to be able to see it. As you can see here on the booklet, we have a remote control, we have all the cables that you need, we also have a brick right here, and they're also going to give you all the things that you need, so the HDMI cable, everything where it goes, all the slots, and we also have, as I mentioned, an SD card in order to record and to save all the images and videos that you are going to use. So I'm going to take everything out and I'm going to install it onto my desk, and then I'm going to show you how this beauty looks. And this is how the microscope looks when it is on. As you can see, this is going to be the monitor that it is going to be provided to you by Linkmicro, and then we have an HDMI cable that is also provided to you by them inside the package. And you can see that you can connect a bigger monitor, even a 4K monitor, in order to see everything even bigger. And then you also have this remote that is going to help you do a bunch of stuff, such as take pictures, switch between video and photos to see what you have already recorded. You can even use this function right here in order to zoom in. And as you can see, it is going to zoom even more. And guys, I must say that this is amazing. I mean, look at these rubies right here. I am not quite sure why here you can actually see better quality than here, but I don't know. And for reference, that is going to be the movement that I am using today. Let's also switch back to the regular zoom. And then let's also put here a small lady's watch, as you can see right here, and it is going to look very nice. So we can actually read Philip watch, and you can also see it on the bigger screen as well. So guys, this is going to be something really cool, and I'm also going to now switch to the video and audio that you can actually record using your microscope. So right here at the back we have a small space where we can insert a small SD card, and that way you are going to be able to record both video and audio of everything that you are doing. So I'm going to switch back there, and we are going to see how it looks and also how the sound is. So now guys, I am actually using the camera and the sound, so the inbuilt microphone of the Linkmicro microscope. So this is what you can expect in terms of quality of resolution from this particular microscope. This is how a movement is going to look when you are going to look through the microscope. This is going to be a man-sized movement, and here we have a small lady's model. So this is where I believe this is going to be a big game changer. So as you can see, this is a very tiny movement. These are going to be the very small rubies, the balance wheel, the screws, and this is going to give you access, and you are going to be able to see it a lot better and a lot bigger. And another very cool thing that I forgot to show you is that you can also adjust the light. So you can close the light, and then you can Turn it on, give even more exposure. So this is quite interesting. You can find the right balance for you. So on the monitor, this looks amazing. I hope that on the video, it is going to do it justice as well. So guys, this was the video that I had for you today. This was the unboxing and the quick review of the Linkmicro digital microscope. Once again, the reference number right here. I'm also going to leave a link in the description box below. I also recommend to check out all of their products. I would definitely recommend to go with a premium microscope because you want to have this bigger quality in both video and sound. And I would say that the price is totally justified for the quality that they are going to offer and for the value that you are going to get from this microscope. Once again, link in the description box below. Now guys, if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.